What's going on YouTube? Dennis here, and today we are doing an update on my Cash App investing portfolio. So let's kind of take a deep dive into this portfolio, and let's kind of check a look here. So as you can see, we got $10.51 in here. So we are balling it up here and making some hard money for ourselves. Now, obviously 10 bucks is not a lot of money, and I know that. This is just a fun account where I'm going to just show you guys what an impact $1 can have investing at a single time into 5 different companies. Now, I'm not recommending these companies per se. These are just companies that I kind of like, but I don't really want to do a lot of research on right now. So I just invest into them at $1 at a time here on this portfolio. I got other portfolios with M1 Finance, with Robinhood, Vanguard, and all these other things where I'm a little bit more serious in what I'm investing in. If you guys want to follow along, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also the like button while you're down there, because it kind of helps support out the channel. But that'll kind of keep you up to date when I release portfolio updates with everything else I got going on too. So let's kind of take a look here on Cash App. Like we saw, $10.51 for the day, down about 3%. For the week, we're actually still up about 3% there. For the month, which is obviously less time than we've actually been investing, we're still up 5.1%, which is at 51 cents. Obviously, we put in $5 or $1 into each stock the first time, which was $5, and then the second time another $5. So let's go ahead and take a look at the companies that we're invested in. But before I do that, if for some reason you are interested in checking out Cash App and using this as an investing platform, which is fine for beginners, but there's a lot of other ones that do more, I will have a link for them in the show notes down below for you. Using that link supports me, but it can get you anywhere from $5 to $15 for signing up. Those promotions change, so something to keep in mind. But hey, getting $5 to $15, you can use that to get started with investing too. So let's take a look and see what we got here. So here are our 5 companies. We have eXp World up about $2, up to $2.30 is what we're at right now. We have Upstart, which is at $2.13. Square, which actually owns Cash App, kind of cool, at $2.10. We got Neo at $2 and a penny, and then we got currently our worst performing stock as of right now, which is Chewy at $1.97. So that's actually the only one that is currently officially down in the portfolio, seeing as we put in $1 for each one twice so far, and we're going to put another $1 into each one today. So let's go ahead and start with the very top one, eXp World. Let's go ahead and buy this for $1. Now, I'm currently doing this in the middle of the night, so this is not going to go in until the next morning. So you can see it says today at 6:30 a.m. So we're going to go ahead and schedule that, get that started in. I really don't care about market timing with this portfolio just because just investing $1 at a time. All right, let's get the next one started here with Upstart. I wonder why it does my Face ID for every single one if I'm doing them back to back, but nonetheless, let's go ahead and do that one. So, that one didn't have a really good day, down about 5% there. So that'll be cool. It'll be exciting to also see how long it takes us to own a full share of these companies. So in case you're not familiar with other brokerages, you're going to have to pay the full price of a cost of a share, where Cash App actually just allows me to invest as low as $1. And you can see it says shares owned, and it says, owned or own, right? That sounds interesting. Is 0.035, which is about 3.5% of one share currently. So it'll be cool to see how long it takes us to get to one full share for all 5 of these companies. I think I coined a word last week. I think it was with these videos where I said like chunking, which is like throwing a bunch of money into these right over here. So for Square, you can see at the bottom it says Cash App Investing LLC is a subsidiary. I guess it sounds weird when I say subsidiary of Square. So there you go. Just in case you guys didn't believe me the first time I said that. All right, so we got $1 going into Square. Let's go to Neo here. Let's put in $1. And then let's go ahead and go to Chewy here, which will now technically be us dollar cost averaging, which once that kind of clears up for Neo. Dollar cost averaging, in case you guys don't know what that is effectively, let's see if it actually gives me the option to show you guys here. No, maybe not. So dollar cost averaging is essentially when you're buying a stock lower than the original price, which actually lowers your dollar cost average. So let's see if it'll allow us to see this afterwards. So let's go ahead and buy this $1 here, or buy the share with this $1 here. Let's go ahead and click done. guess that's not going to show me what my average price is with this one. That's why Cash App is a little tough. It doesn't give us a lot of information. Maybe it's somewhere else that it'll show me. Nope. Yeah, it doesn't actually show me. See, like this one shows me the share price, 55.75. Does that show me with Chewy? 82.29. But it doesn't show me what my average cost is. So that's kind of interesting. Oh, maybe in the details here. Let's see. No, not even in the details. So yeah, so there's some downsides with using this app. So like I mentioned, if you're just getting started and you've never invested before, if this gets you in the door to test things out, try it with the $5 you get for free for signing up with the link down below. Or if you can put a little bit more in, test it out. If you like it and you want to invest more, you can check out a whole bunch of different apps that are out there as well too, because there's a ton of them out there. But I think if you just get started knowing that you're not trying to make tons of money, you're just trying to understand how things work, I think that's a fantastic way to go, even if it's just with the $5. Like, check this out. Look at that. I mean, we only have $10 in this account and we're up 51 cents. Doesn't seem like a lot of money, but for what, like a week? I don't know. When did we start this, guys? March 9th. Today's the 17th. So it's been almost a week since we started. So in a week, we made 51 cents, which is 5%. I mean, if you put that in perspective, if you invested $100, that would have been $5, right? If you put in $1,000, that would be $51 or so, give or take. I mean, like, just really kind of consider those things of like the impact that your money can have. I don't recommend putting in a lot of money at first if you're not, comfortable with everything yet. But I mean, heck, just getting started, I put in a little bit of money. Why not? Let's take a quick look at Bitcoin here, because I have a little bit of Bitcoin in here. Bitcoin shot up like crazy, by the way. It went up all the way to like $61 or so, 61 or $2. So I'm still up at $5.49 in this one right here. My all-time might be skewed. Oh wait, that's just overall Bitcoin itself. But anyways, yeah, I'm at $5.49. I don't remember what my last video I was at with, but I got that for free because Cash App gives me sometimes bonuses where they're like, hey, buy something and we'll give you like 10% back in Bitcoin, which I'm like, why not? But it's invested. I might end up selling this a little bit here because, well, right now it's at 55. I probably should have sold when it was at like 61 or so, because that would have been nice. That would have been a really good little bonus there, which I could have used to invest more in to these 5 different stocks. But let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Like, these 5 stocks, like, are you interested in any of these? Or any of these on your like watch list? You can watch them with me if you want to, again, by following along here. But yeah, make sure you get started with investing if you're not already. Follow along by following this channel if you are interested to see where this portfolio goes. And we'll be consistently investing $1 every time I post a new video with Cash App. But check out my next video right over here because you can keep on learning with more investing. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in the next video.